तो फोकस ऑन फोकस में हमारा एक आर्टिकल है, यानी दूसरे के द्वारा लिखा हुआ आर्टिकल है कि उसी को अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। सीआरएम कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज करें, बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस। तो सीआरएम होता क्या है? तो सीआरएम हो गया हमारा कस्टमर रिलेशन मैनेजमेंट। कस्टमर रिलेशन मैनेजमेंट अब ये है क्या? तो कस्टमर रिलेशन मैनेजमेंट जो है ना, अभी के टाइम में बिकम नेसेसिटी फॉर बिजनेस। कोई भी बिजनेस उसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ऑल शेप एंड साइजेस के लिए तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है। विथ कस्टमर्स डिमांडिंग मोर फ्रॉम द कंपनीज टू चूज टू डू बिजनेस विथ इट एसेंशियल टू हैव अ सीआरएम सिस्टम जो कि प्लेस टू कीप अप विद द कस्टमर नीड्स। जो भी कस्टमर नीड्स है, सीआरएम सिस्टम उसको ढंग से मैनेज कर पाए। कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट। तो बट हाउ कैन वी ऑप्टिमाइज दिस प्रोसेस? इसको कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते थे? इन टुडेज ब्लॉग पोस्ट भी ये बोलेंगे, ठीक है, बात करेंगे सीआरएम सिस्टम के। तो टॉप तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट में मल्टीपल थिंग्स हैं। तो अब आते हैं कि ऑलवेज अपडेट कस्टमर इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो हमेशा हम लोग को कस्टमर इन्फॉर्मेशन अपडेट करना। सीआरएम सिस्टम ओनली इफेक्टिव व्हेन द डेटा इज प्रोवाइडेड इज करंट। फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज द कस्टमर एड्रेस हो गया, कंपनी नेम हो गया, प्रीफर्ड कॉन्टैक्ट मेथड हैज चेंज। इन दिस केस द स्टाफ शुड अपडेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन इमीडिएटली। योर सेल्स, यानी ये बेसिकली कॉलिंग वगैरह, सेल्स वगैरह के लिए है कि भाई उसका सब कुछ सही होगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही कर पाएंगे ना मार्केटिंग टीम पे, ठीक है। अब यूजर परचेज हिस्ट्री फॉर अप सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज। यूजर परचेजिंग हिस्ट्री फॉर अप सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। परचेज हिस्ट्री रखेंगे तब तो ठीक है। इट इज ईजियर टू सेल एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर देन टू एक्वायर न्यू वंस। एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर का तो हम लोग के पास सब कुछ रहेगा ना, प्राइस पॉइंट रहेगा, फिर क्या वो देखा है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमारे पास अदर प्रोडक्ट है, तो वो भी हम लोग नज कर सकते। तो उनको टारगेट करना इजी होगा एज कम्पेयर टू न्यू कस्टमर। विथ सीआरएम यू कैन बूस्ट योर सेल्स परफॉर्मेंस बाय एनालाइजिंग योर existing client purchase history and designing promotions or events just for them. For example, if they recently purchased a razor from your online store, you can program your CRM to recommend related product like shaving cream or आफ्टर सेव, ठीक है। यानी लाइक टू लाइक वाला तो आप कर ही सकते हैं उनको ना, ठीक है। ये बोला ऑटोमेट योर process. Since many of the tasks associated with data entry can be automated, take advantage workflow automate features in CRM app, eliminates time repetitive function. For instance, new leads are added to your CRM, new subscription, you can program your CRM to send follow up emails after promotion, push other marketing to keep your business at the fore. यानी बेसिकली ऑटोमेट करना, यानी जो भी चीज़ हो रहा है, जैसे प्राइस ड्रॉप हो रहा है, इस सब चीज़ को जो है ना अपन को ऑटोमेट करना होगा। तो उसी के बारे में है, उसी के बारे में है। लर्न फ्रॉम, यहाँ पे है कि लर्न फ्रॉम एनालिटिक्स। एनालिटिक्स तो मायने रखता ही है। अब CRM कैन analyze customer trends and behavior. For example, if you notice a spike in demand of a certain product service during the holidays, be more aggressive in pushing them on the following year, next year. If a specific email campaign were more successful than others, higher open rates, cliks through rates, potential customers understand what elements were responsible for the success. Try to replicate them the next time you send a newsletter. यानी ईयर, इस ईयर के डेटा से अपन नेक्स्ट ईयर वो कर सकते हैं, या इस मंथ के डेटा से अपन नेक्स्ट मंथ में ट्रेंड लेकर के, अगर पार्टिकुलर डेट में कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बिक रहे हैं तो उन चीज़ को अपन पार्टिकुलरली बूस्ट कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट में। कस्टमर डेटा शुड ऑल्सो बी यूज टू सेव सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग टैक्टिक्स। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ सेल्स पर्सन हु ऑलरेडी नोज द क्लाइंट्स नेम, लोकेशन, प्रिफरेंसेस कैन डिलीवर मोर टारगेटेड सेल्स पिचेज। ये तो हो गया सेल्स पिचेज के क्रॉसपॉन्डिंग की भाई कैसे पिच करेंगे, ठीक है, उसके बारे में हो गया। इंटीग्रेट CRM विद अदर बिजनेस सॉफ्टवेयर। इनकॉर्पोरेट CRM सॉफ्टवेयर इनटू द प्रोग्राम, मेक इवन मोर पावर। फॉर एग्जांपल, इंटीग्रेशन विद अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, ठीक है। अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कंबाइंस ये सब फाइनेंस के डेटा, रिडंडेंट, ये सब, ठीक है। यूज्ड BOP, योर स्टाफ विल गेट रेलिवेंट कस्टमर इंफॉर्मेशन। मल्टीपल डेटाबेस डिस्प्ले, ठीक है। ये गेट सम CRM सपोर्ट, वर्क विद द CRM प्रोवाइडर 24/7, ठीक है। दिस मे लाइक remember, like very technology investment. CRM requires active participation for executive managers and frontline staff. If you need more advice to keep customer happy or want to know what the technology can add value your business, you got, ठीक है। तो अब इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अब क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है ऑप्टिमाइजिंग टिप्स। ऑटोमेट द बेसिक टास्क को ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हैं। When asked why they are not automating, many business owners say they don't have enough time. And while you expect them to selling most of the time, actual sales comprise only one third of the daily task. Why should we all automate? It is simple because traction, gaining traction with customer is not a one-time thing rather than destination. This is a journey that requires a lot of input on your side. Some of the tasks it involves can be overwhelming. Luckily, you have got your CRM tool to help you get the job done. Task automation is Task automation is probably the most useful CRM feature you haven't explored so far. For example, instead of putting busy sales agent के बारे में इस साल पूरा है, change of scheduling costs, you can set up CRM to complete that for them. Okay, sales agent ना करके CRM system message email से you can introduce automated email for new and returning customer, redirect them to your knowledge database, use hundreds of other automation tricks to spare time for more critical tasks. In some cases, CRM vendor will even allow you to write effective scripts. CRM vendor. Okay, yes, CRM vendor effective script to automate tasks not already in the system. There are many sales automation functions to choose from. You have to do identify what best fit for your organization. To relieve some part of the administrative burden, CRM vendors thinking of making automation effective, more efficient. Service support CRM, for instance, offer automatic lead रोटेशन टू हेल्प। ये बेसिकली सेल्स टाइप का जो भी लिखा है ना ब्लॉग, सेल्स से रिलेटेड। ग्रेटर बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस फॉर CRM metrics. Good CRM tool will improve customer relationship and provide value insights with your business health. If you didn't learn anything from it over year, you have been underestimated its power. The most significant benefit to using a CRM system, customer intelligence, is aggregated in a single source of truth. This means you can easily pull out and analyze your sorts of behavior pattern, relate them to cow channels, even agents, and lose no time to coming up with the best solution. With such possibility at your fingertips, it is pity settling down for basic reports and statistics. Plus, CRM software specialize in adaptive sales enablement. There is a plenty it can do for you before you started selling. This goes as far as evaluating prospect buyers expectation, teaching you how to approach different target groups. Okay. Better you yet, professional CRM सॉफ्टवेयर सच एज हब स्पॉट कवर। ये हब स्पॉट का तो दो जगह हब स्पॉट यूज किया, माइट भी हब स्पॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड दिस टू राइट दिस। कवर अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ KPIs. की KPI क्या होगा, की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर यूज टू मेजर द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द कस्टमर इंगेजमेंट। KPIs यू मिस ईमेल क्लिक थ्रू रेट और सेवरल लॉस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, एवरेज रिस्पॉन्स रेट, ये सब है। अब है सर्टेन create and maintain profitable customer portfolios. With all customer data gathered under one roof, you get a historical and cross-channel view of how you dealt with a particular customer issue. You can easily navigate your entire communication specifications and predict what customer would be after any scenario. This is how CRM software know your service consistent, how it turns quickly relationship into recognizable standards. Let us give you few idea on what you can do. First, to help agents deal with their specific interaction, you can pull out services guidelines and create playbooks based on previous interactions. It is a win-win strategy. Returning customers already know what to expect and are more satisfied with your service. Instead of guessing who your most profitable customers can be, you can use your CRM to distinguish them and prioritize their requests. Note that this won't mean leaving all customers aside. Instead of that, you sell only makes sure that essential requests are handled at the right time and the right person. ठीक है। पुट योर CRM इन द सेंटर ऑफ योर मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी। अब तो ये तो है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी में होगा किस यूजर को टारगेट, ये तो CRM सिस्टम ही पता। अनदर थिंग, यू प्रोबेबली हैवंट ट्राइड टू यूजिंग CRM इंटेलिजेंस फॉर डेवलपिंग मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स, yet it provides some of the most crucial insights of approaching a particular market, often reveals the most successful tactics. In short, forming lasting relationship with much easier if you approach customers in the way that they want to close. That is your all CRM teaches you together in with cues of which market is more effective, which products and services are most wanted, and which support change, get most traffic. If you didn't integrate CRM tool with your marketing system, now is the time to do. Marketing system में तो करना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. Sync your CRM to other essential tool. Since we tackle the topic of since we tackled the topic of integration, let's discuss why it is essential to sync CRM system to other tools you are using. The uptight connections to marketing, sales, and help desk tools of self-explanatory, but there are more existing connection you may not have thought of. The account data gathered in your CRM can support the work of all enterprise system used to manage your sales. If it is well-known fact that an enterprise resource planning system is never enough. As an idea, you can connect the CRM to your ERP solution and a single fully automated inquiry management process for all clients. The CRM tools should also work in synergy with your calendar's email service provider so that there is no need to double enter information. Later but not least, your CRM must be connected to your social media profile. The last one, CRM must be connected to social media profile, the reason for all social listing. The conversions taking place on social media, फेसबुक, ठीक है. यानी वही बोला है कि जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं मार्केटिंग उसमें रहना चाहिए. क्रिएट है यूनिफॉर्म सिस्टम ऑफ डेटा एंट्री. If everyone using the CRM is in charge of their data entry method, you shall have a hard time finding anything you are looking for. Reporting will be difficult, if not impossible, and duplicate data will clog your system. The organization is your friend. Create a clear guidelines for data entry. Have a code for CRM processes like tracking a phone call, logging conversation, adding deal notes, setting appointments, scheduling calls, creating follow-up task. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. How can you run a report on a customer interaction? How can you run a report on a customer interaction when there are 15 different ways to indicate a convert? How can you track customer information if everything is adding is differently? You can't. Guidelines for data entry give you actual actionable results. You will have a more precise report and insights into the areas your sales processes can improve. Consistent customer information also help you to evaluate performance on an individual level. For example, you can see where each rep is succeeding or underperforming. Uniform data helps reveal big picture trend in your sales process tools. The average number of sale conversion needed for sale. Common reason for lost deal. Length of sales cycle. Average deal size. Overall win rate. Total pipeline value. Get more out of your data and improve your CRM return on investment. Get more out of your data and improve your CRM return on investment. Consider data help you lower your customer acquisition cost and hang out your customer for longer. Use data hygiene to get people to use your CRM. What if your team doesn't use your CRM even though it has all the features you technically need? Why would people not use a tool that is tailored made for them? Lack of training, complexity, and overkill. Fear of corporate oversight, unclear value to reps. These problems are more common than you might think. 83% of executives say the biggest challenge is getting people to use the CRM. 22% issues reported with CRM are due to insufficient user adoption. 40 for user adoption. 83 executives the biggest challenge people to use the CRM. Setting people to use the say 22% issues reported the CRM are due to insufficient यूजर 40% सेल्स रिपोर्ट्स, ये बेसिकली सेल के रिलेटेड है। CRM student rely on more traditional tools. How can you promote user adoption, data hygiene at the same time? Turn it into a game. James Wang CEO, Evident Technologies says with CRM software, good starting point is to have the team start entering their sales contacts. Then once they have fully incorporated the process, starting tracking sales से related पूरा भाई, ठीक है। तो ये लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड, लेट नेवर लेट अनक्लियर डेटा इनटू योर CRM, ठीक है। Never let data into your CRM system without cleaning, otherwise it will pile up. You shall have a mountain of insufficient data on your hands. Data pollution occurs when integration are faulty and misconfigured. Humans make errors. Data is changed with business processes. ये सब अभी के टाइम में हाथ से लिखने वाला तो है नहीं भाई, ठीक है। मार्केटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस, our information drive world you to begin to learn about sales prospect lead from the moment and they become aware of your business. Social media impression engagement and intro conversation at the event, site tracking information. This is marketing data, product service interest, their content they have interact with, level of engagement. CRM best practice, many marry your marketing and sales data. What can you know about lead before you can even contact with them? More than you might think. If you are taking advantage of the available tools, you can answer most of these questions. How did they find out about you? What channel did they come from? Are they on your email list? Are they engaging with your content? What are they interested in? The sales process began with marketing. A study shows that 8% of your prospective customers have started to judge your business before you ever talk to them. Today there are multiple type of CRM for you to choose from, with a stackable SaaS application on the rise with no insight. Your CRM and marketing platform can be tied together via integration. Conclusion: is your CRM optimized? Your CRM exists to help you effectively manage your customer relationship. These 9 best practices of CRM data hygiene, बेसिकली उतने अच्छे से ये नहीं लिखा हुआ था।